Hello, good morning all, it's me again. Today I'm going to unboxing the Bose speaker Soundlink Color 2. This speaker needs to be set up in the guest room, so I'm going to unboxing for you. How is the speaker look like? This is what you get when you buy the speaker. The unit with the plastic, the manual book, letter warranty, and then the USB cord charging, and that's it. So let's open the plastic. What does the unit look like? Okay. Here we have the power button, Bluetooth, volume up and down, and for connection USB. And the material is from rubber. I think this is good. And the manual book. And that's it, I think, and the USB charger. So first thing first, we need to charge this unit for about 2 hours. I think will be enough, and that's it, and we're ready to play the music. Okay, so after charging I will show you what is the sound look like. So simple to charge. We have one port in the power button, and that's it. And let's the speaker to be charged first. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to like, comment and share if you like my video, or if you have any requests, so please comment below, so I will be happy to make another video for you. And goodbye.